forget when a team actually stood up.
That was been all over.
It's happened. Just, you can't get a great understanding of photos. So anything that they're looking to do for us or to help us with at the federal level,
maybe we
is
have
going
a
to need to be
chance
reinforced
that
with
we'll actually
these
push
firsthand stories and seeing it firsthand.
things along.
Do you think after
to
him coming
make
down
the
here and
process.
seeing this that it will make a difference?
Yes.
Well, and I guess,
Nobody seems to know what the process is. Where does it start? Does it start here? Does it start there? And yes, it's taken 2 months to find out it really does need to start here. And then who wants to start it?
Are you hopeful? There's a lot of red tape in Washington involved with every single thing getting money. You're hoping, hey, since he saw this firsthand, maybe he'll have his ear a little bit more. Congressman will have his ear a little bit more.
I would hope for that. Right.